Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do a s'mores bar. I know you've had s'mores with over the campfires and all that, but this is baked in the oven. I hope you do enjoy it, so let's get started on it. We're going to take an 8-inch square casserole and we're going to spray it with some cooking spray. And we'll just leave it sitting there. Let's see, we have to have 3/4 cup of sugar. Next we add our butter. We have 1/2 cup of butter softened. So I've left this out to get room temperature on this butter. 1/2 cup is 1 stick. Let me get a spoon and get that out. Now we're going to take a mixer and mix this. We just have to mix this until it's creamy. We have 1 egg at room temperature. And we're going to add vanilla flavoring. It's 1 teaspoon. I'm just going to guess at that. Okay, we're going to beat that up. Now, we're going to set this aside. And we're going to mix our flour, which we have 1 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. We have taken graham crackers. There is 3/4 of a cup of graham crackers. And what I did was put the graham crackers in this Ziploc bag and took a rolling pin and rolled over them. And that's a good way to get them chopped up real fine. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We have 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and we're going to mix all that together. Now we're going to go back and add this to our butter mixture. The flour and the graham cracker crumbs. You know all s'mores got to have graham crackers. You've got to beat this up until it's combined. Now what we're going to do is take 1/2 of this, I'm just guessing at it, and we're going to put it in the bottom of this greased casserole. I think that's about to get it. The next thing we do, we have 4 Hershey candy bars, and we're going to take these and spread over this mixture. I should already had these out. All we're going to do is make sure this is covered. I've always loved Hershey candy. They make a good candy, I think. It's used so much in cooking, too. Worked out pretty good. We're going to take marshmallow cream, and it's going to take this whole package to go on top, and this is going to be hard to work with too, I think. It sticks so. But I love marshmallow cream. You know, this is my kind of food. Marshmallow and chocolate. That's what I like. Ooh, don't you know this is going to be good. Now we're trying to cover this, and we got the same problem we had with the dough. And I'll tell you another problem we're going to have when we start putting another coat of dough on top of this marshmallow cream. It's going to be kind of a mess to spread out, but it'll get it done. I can just taste this now. This looks great to me. Chocolate and marshmallow. Now, this is going in a 350-degree oven, and it's going to cook for about 30-35 minutes. So let me wash my hands so I don't mess everything up. Okay, we'll time that now about 30 minutes and look at it, and if it's not quite ready, we'll cook it another 5 minutes. Now we have finished with our s'mores bar, and I took a spoon taste of it This is delicious. I'll tell you what, you're going to want to try this. I hope you try this. I hope you enjoy it. I appreciate you watching. Thanks a lot.